Hello, welcome to Malouf Service. Today we're going to show you how to successfully replace the motor on your structure's adjustable bed base. Number 1. Remove your mattress from the base, then lift the base onto its side. If you haven't already, unplug the base from your outlet. Number 2. Locate the control box. Next, remove the cable securing clip and unplug the cable of the motor. If you own the M510 or S700 model, the control box will not have a clip on the control box. Then remove the motor cable from the securing clips. Number 3. Locate the defective motor and remove the cotter pins and bolts located at each end of the motor. Next, remove the old motor from the base. Number 4. Place the new motor between the double brackets and reattach the bolts and cotter pins to secure the new motor to the base. Afterward, plug the motor cable into the control box and attach the cable securing clip. Number 5. With the base still on its side, plug the base into your outlet and use the remote control to test the basic function of the motor. If the motor moves, return the base to an upright position and test again for full operation. If you're having trouble replacing your motor or have another question about the adjustable base, contact our customer experience team and one of our experts will be happy to assist you.